Hello everyone, my name is Chantel, also known as Chantel's Pretty Little DIYs. Welcome back to my channel. As you already know, my channel focuses on budget-friendly ideas, upcycled crafts that's going to make your home look so beautiful without breaking the bank. And today I have some exciting DIYs to share with you. Without further ado, let's get into it. But before we do get into it, please share, like, subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate your presence. I know how nerve-wracking it could be during the holidays when you're expecting to receive guests and you don't have any idea of what you want to do in terms of decorations. No worries, leave that up to me. So today I'm hoping to inspire you with my Thanksgiving centerpiece idea that I have in mind. So hopefully you guys like it and try it, and if you do decide to redo this, please don't forget to tag me in it. So the blue hydrangeas I've ordered on Amazon. I'm going to link everything down below just in case if you guys want to try this DIY. The white hydrangeas, however, came from my local neighborhood 99-cent store. One of these days, I'm going to take you guys on a road trip with me to that local neighborhood 99-cent store. It has so many treasures, and sometimes the owner is looking at me as if this person is like not right up there. But trust and believe, I take my time when I'm looking for treasures. FYI, usually when I'm working on these standard pieces, if I can help it, I do not use glue because I like to reuse the flowers again and other DIYs. So that's why I'm not using glue to keep the flowers together. Because of course, as I mentioned, I'm always reusing my flowers into other DIYs, and I've used glue in the past, but to remove them usually damages the flowers or, you know, rips them apart. So I do not like to do that because I want the flowers to remain intact. So most of the flowers in this DIY I actually purchased from my local neighborhood 99-cent store, like those white roses, or from my local neighborhood 99-cent store. And I tell you, they have so many great things in there. Like I'm like a little kid who's in a candy shop when I go in there, and I never cease to shock the owner whenever I create a DIY. And when I go in there, I always show her and she's shocked. She's like, oh my god, these flowers look so cheap, but then you managed to make them look into something so expensive. But anyway, getting back to what I was saying. So the blue flowers were purchased from my local 99-cent store as well, and I don't think the camera does them any justice because they look really beautiful in person. It's like a mixture of purplish bluish hue. It's so beautiful. The baby breaths were purchased on Amazon. I'll definitely link it below as well in case if you'd like to try this DIY. So I'm just loosely placing these floral pieces wherever they're needed. As I mentioned, I am not going to use glue because, especially with these items, these are items that I use all the time and, you know, to embellish my DIY, so I don't want to damage the quality of them, so I like to keep them intact. So these are just remnants from other flowers that I've saved from other DIYs that I'm using to embellish the centerpiece. These blue hydrangeas were purchased from my local neighborhood 99-cent store, and they're such great qualities. I don't know where they get their flowers from, but they always have beautiful, realistic looking flowers for some reason. They don't look cheap to me, you know, they look very expensive and high quality. So I'm just repeating the same process on the other side. And this is what it looked like when I was done with placing all of the flowers. I love the way it turned out. So I purchased the gather sign from HomeGoods, and I did get it at a discounted price because it does have a little chip on it, as you can see in the video. And this is what the DIY looked like. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, if you've made it this far into this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more. As I mentioned, I have a lot of DIYs coming up, and I don't want you to miss out on anything. And I am so glad you came to watch my video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.